all are fine and safe. So due to my health, I was not able to take your English class. So today we will start with English grammar. Okay, so this is your English grammar book. So open your English grammar to page number 5. Sentence. Your first chapter is sentence. So what is sentence? What is sentence? A group of a word which makes a complete sense is called a sentence. Okay? Once more I will read. A group of words which makes complete sense is called a sentence. इसका मतलब होता है जब एक वर्ड कंप्लीट सेंस में होता है यानी सेंटेंस उसे कहते हैं हम कंप्लीट सेंटेंस. ओके चिल्ड्रन, फॉर एग्जांपल this is example. Very it is hot. What I have given here? Very it is hot. ये समझ में आ गई? ये सेंटेंस क्या कह रहा है? समझ में आया? No. क्यों नहीं समझ में आया? क्योंकि ये जो सेंटेंस है वो सेंस में नहीं है ना? It is not in sense. We don't know what it is written. So if I write it this way, it is very hot. It is very hot. तो ये समझ में आ गया? Yes. It is very hot. So this sentence you came to know कि ये ऐसा लिखा जाता है. So this is called as complete sentence. This is called as complete sentence. So if I give it another example, like so children, in the second sentence I have written here, Lotus beautiful is flower earth. What I have written? Lotus beautiful is flower earth. तो ये जो सेंटेंस है वो इनकम्प्लीट सेंटेंस है, यानी ये जो सेंटेंस है ये कंप्लीट सेंस में नहीं है. आखिर मैंने इसे ऐसा लिखा, लोटस capital lotus is a beautiful flower. Lotus is a beautiful flower and ends with a full stop. तो ये सेंटेंस आपके समझ में आया? Yes. So you came to know. So this is called as complete sentence. A group of words which makes a complete sense is called a sentence. So this makes the complete sense. This makes the complete sense. So it is called a sentence. Children, this is your textbook and there are some exercises which you all have to do. Okay. So first we'll go here. What it is written here? A group of a word which makes a complete sense is called a sentence. As I have taught you all on the board. And a sentence must contain a verb. And a sentence must contain a verb. Whatever you write a sentence, it should have a verb. A sentence always begins with capital letter and some sentence ends with a full stop. So sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. So for example, what they have given here? The Laurel and Henry went to the market. See, starting is with a capital. This is the name of a person, so it is written in capital and ending with the full stop. Okay children, so see here what they have written in A. This is your exercise and you all have to do this. In A they have given, rearrange these groups to make a sentence that matches the picture. Remember to start with the capital and end with the full stop. So you have to start with the capital and end with the full stop. And here they have said that you have to rearrange these words to make a sentence. So these words have jumbled up for you all. Okay, these words have jumbled up for you all. So you all have to rearrange it. आपको इसे रीराइट करना है, यानी ये जो वर्ड्स दिए हैं इसे जम्बल्ड करके दिया है. जैसा एग्जांपल देखो, द कैट द जंप फेंस ओवर, यानी जो कैट है वो क्या कर रहा है? तो फेंस को जंप कर रहा है. सो यू हैव टू रीराइट द सेंटेंस, यानी रीराइट द words into sentence. Like one example they have given, द कैट जम्प्ड ओवर द फेंस। तो ये सही सेंटेंस है। ओके, सो यू हैव टू स्टार्ट विद द कैपिटल एंड एंड विद द फुल स्टॉप। द सेकेंड वन, सी, दिस इज द कैप्टन एंड ही इज प्लेइंग व्हाट? हॉकी, है ना? So here they have written here, scored of the team goals the captain too. So this is incomplete sentence. We have to write in proper sentence. So when you write in proper sentence, it comes like, the captain of the team scored 2 goals. The captain of the team scored 2 goals. ठीक है? See, here you can see a bicycle, na? Has a bicycle wheel too. What they have given? Has a bicycle wheel too. You have to arrange it properly. You have to write a bicycle has wheel too and put a full stop. I have not put a full stop. See, a full stop you have to put. Next, book read to her like daughter. Books read to her likes daughter. So you have to arrange it properly. Her daughter likes to read book. Her daughter likes to read book. So children, आपको ऐसे आपको ये सब सॉल्व करना है. So ये वाला 5th, 6th, 7th, okay, and 8, 9, 10 ये आपको सॉल्व करना है. एंड यहाँ पे बी वाला सेक्शन पे क्या दिया है? सी, चूज द करेक्ट वर्ड फ्रॉम द ब्रैकेट टू कंप्लीट ईच सेंटेंस. रिमेंबर टू पुट कैपिटल लेटर एंड फुल स्टॉप. सो ये कह रहा है, दिस क्वेश्चन इज सेइंग दैट चूज द करेक्ट वर्ड फ्रॉम द ब्रैकेट. सो हियर द ब्रैकेट्स आर गिवन. सी, यू कैन सी द ब्रैकेट्स हियर. So in that there is the correct answer. You have to choose the correct answer from these and make a sentence. और आपको एक sentence बनाना है इसमें से correct answer choose करके. And children, again they have told us, remember to put a capital letter and full stop also. So here one example is done for you all. Last night it, one bar is given, heavily. So you have to see which is the right answer, rained or rained. So last night is what? Your past tense. So what you will write here? The answer will come rained. Last night it rained heavily and put a full stop. Next, I have never a lake. I have never a lake. Been and seen. Been is come and seen is come. So you have to rearrange these words putting the right answer. So here I have done, I have never seen a lake. I have never seen a lake. Okay children. Next we will go to third one, that is we to the beach every day. So in the bracket you have to choose the right answer. One is given go and another is given gone. So what you will write here? We go to the beach every day. We go to the beach every day and put a full stop. See, I have not put a full stop here. See, I have started with the capital and ended with the full stop. Next one also you have to do the same thing. Please that small chair here. So you have to see which right answer we have to put it to make a sentence, like bring and brought. So what will be the right answer? Bring will be the right answer. Please bring the small chair here. So here is a full stop. So children, you have to complete now 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Okay children. So we all have to solve this. Now next we will move to sentence. In sentence there are 2 parts. Okay children, in sentence there are 2 parts. One is subject and another one is predicate. तो sentence में 2 parts होते हैं. वो एक होता है subject और दूसरा होता है predicate. तो subject क्या होता है वो देखते हैं. We will see what is the definition of subject. The part which name a person or a thing is called a subject. Okay. A part which the part which tells us something. Okay, listen carefully. The part which tells us something about the subject is called the predicate. Yani the part which tells us something about the subject is called the predicate. For example, I have written here an example for you. Like Muskan wrote a letter. Muskan wrote a letter. So this one, it is the name of a person. So this one is your subject. Okay, this one is your subject, and the remaining one is your predicate. Okay, this is your predicate. It is the name of a person. So this is a subject. See here, it is given a name of a person or a thing. So that will be your subject. So next, like bird are flying in the sky. So bird is your subject, and the remaining one is your predicate. So this is your subject, and the remaining sentence is talking about the subject, what the subject is doing. ठीक है, यानी जो बाकी का जो सेंटेंस है वो हमें सब्जेक्ट के बारे में बता रहा है कि सब्जेक्ट क्या कह रहा है. ओके, सो इट इज कॉल्ड predicate. Next one, see, a tree has a root and a branches. So subject कौन सा है इसमें? A tree. और tree के बारे में ये बाकी के सेंटेंस बता रहा है. tree के बारे में ये बाकी के सेंटेंस क्या बता रहा है? Has a root and a branches. So this is telling us about the subject. समझ में आया? This is telling about subject. So this is your subject and this is your predicate. So understood, children? What is the meaning of subject and what is the meaning of predicate? Subject means which tells us which is the part or name of a person, thing is called a subject, and predicate is which tells us something about the subject. Which tells us something about the subject is called as predicate. Okay, children? So let us go. In sentence there are two parts. A sentence has a two part. The part which name a person or a thing is called a subject. The part which tells us something about the subject is called the predicate. So see, I have done a bracket over here, open bracket and close bracket. So this you have to learn. You have to learn about subject and you have to learn about predicate. These are the definition of subject and predicate. Okay children, so आपको समझ में आ गया कि सेंटेंस में दो पार्ट होता है, एक होता है सब्जेक्ट एंड एक होता है predicate. Okay children, did you all understand? See here there is example. Nusrat arrived early. So Nusrat क्या होता है अपना सब्जेक्ट होता है, और बाकी का जो है arrived early वो क्या होता है अपना predicate. सब्जेक्ट Nusrat is the subject, arrived early is the predicate. A rolling stone gathered no moss. A rolling stone ये होता है अपना subject, gathered no moss ये होता है अपना predicate. क्योंकि subject क्या है, किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं हम लोग? rolling stone के बारे में. तो rolling stone के बारे में कौन बात कर रहा है? gathered no moss ये बात कर रहा है. So this ये क्या हो जाता है अपना predicate. So here also you have, there is exercise, that is exercise number C. Underline the subject and circle the predicate in this sentence. Like number 1, Prabha and Peter study in my school. तो ये दो जो अंडरलाइन है वो होता है अपना सब्जेक्ट, एंड इनके बारे में कौन बता रहा है? स्टडी इन माई स्कूल, बाकी का वो होता है अपना प्रेडिकेट. लेट अस मूव टू नेक्स्ट वन. द किंग ले इन द बेड ऑल द डे लॉन्ग मोर्निंग एंड ग्रोनिंग. ओके, जो किंग होता है इट इज़ अ सब्जेक्ट, यानी वो पर्सन है. सी हियर इट इज़ गिवन अ पर्सन और अ थिंग. सो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट किंग. किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? किंग के बारे में. सो ये हो जाता है सब्जेक्ट, और जो बाकी का होता है वो है हमारा प्रेडिकेट. तो यहाँ पे दिया गया था कि सब्जेक्ट को अंडरलाइन करो एंड प्रेडिकेट को क्या करो? सर्कल करो. सो चिल्ड्रन, थर्ड वन इज गिवन अ जाइंट केम आउट ऑफ द केव। तो किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं हम लोग इस सेंटेंस में? जाइंट के बारे में। तो जाइंट होता है अपना सब्जेक्ट एंड रिमेनिंग पार्ट इज अ प्रेडिकेट। ओके चिल्ड्रन, so this way you have to solve 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and it is there on your next page, that is till 20. That is till 20 you all have to solve. And here I have done match the following for you all. Match each subject with its predicate. You have to match the you have to match the subject with the predicate. Like one is done for you all, our teacher. Here it is given used to our teacher, here it is, sorry, our teacher read us a book about dinosaurs. Next, the kitten. Kitten क्या करता है? You have to ring. Well, ring at 10 o'clock, no. Was riding his new bicycle, no. He is yelling with it is right, no. It is used to open the lock and door, no. ये वाला तो हो गया. Was spinning around and trying to catch its tail, ये हो सकता है. So the kitten क्या कर रहा था? The kitten was spinning around and trying to catch its tail. Number 3, key क्या करता है? Key is used to open the lock of the door. Key is used to open a lock doors. So this way you have to solve this exercise also, that is exercise number D. So come down with exercise number E. Complete this sentence by adding subject predicate from the box. So in this box there are subject also and there are predicate also. So हमें choose करके यहाँ पे लिखना है कि कौन सा sentence को subject करना है and which one is a predicate. You will have to choose and write. Like one is done. The boy fell into the water and wet his clothes. So next one is the sons are going to their new house. So here was the sense. See here, यहाँ पे sense था तो ये हमारा subject था. So I have written here and this remaining is a predicate. See here I have solved this. Okay children, so this is your subject and this is your predicate and here is your subject and you have to choose the predicate and write in this. Okay children, this way you all are going to solve exercise E and exercise F also you all have to solve. Like match the column. Match the column to make the sentence about animals home. So you all know the animals home, no? आपको animals के home के बारे में आपने previous class में पढ़ा होगा. You all have learned, ना? Isn't it? Okay. So here a cow. Cow कहाँ पे रहता है? Cow lives in the shed. Fish कहाँ पे live करता है? Fish are kept in the aquarium. Where lion is there? Lion lives in the den. So this way you have to solve exercise F. This is very easy one, है ना? Okay. So let us move to the down section. So see, before that we will see what is given in this box. A question beginning with a capital letter and ends with a question mark. Example, where are the girls go? Question, what does your mother do? So question marks always is put when we ask a question. So here what it is given here, rearrange the words to make question. Remember to put a capital letter and question mark. So यहाँ पे letter jumbled up करके दिया है, उसे हमें sentence में लाना है, that too in the form of question and put a question mark. Okay, one is done that for you all, that is name your what is. Name your what is. तो हमें इसे क्या करना है, इसे सही से लिखना है. You have to arrange these words and form a question. So what we can write like what is your name and one a question mark. Number 2 is given that are old you how. ये तो बहुत easy है. क्या आएगा यहाँ पे? It will come how old are you. यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? How old are you with the question mark. Number 3, School, go to, you, which, do. School, go to, which, do. तो क्या आएगा? बहुत easy है. What will come? It will come which. School, do, you, go to. है ना? So this is the answer. Leave, do, where, you. Very easy answer. ये तो 2 मिनट में आ जाएगा. What it is? इसे सीधा करके लिखना है in the question form. Where do you live? So children, this way you have to solve 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, only. Okay, chalo. You have to solve this. That is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, children. After solving, please send it on the homework group. Okay, children. If you don't understand anything, you all can call me and ask. Okay, children. Okay, take care. Bye.